After purchasing a RocketMQ instance, use an open-source RocketMQ client to connect to it. Create a topic and a consumer group, and produce and consume a message. Then, reset the consumer offset. This video demonstrates how to reset the consumer offset. The prerequisites for resetting the consumption progress are as follows. 1. A RocketMQ instance has been purchased and connected. 2. You have purchased a Linux Ecuadorian Sucres that uses the same VPC, subnet, and security group as the RocketMQ instance. 3. You have configured security group rules. To reset the consumption procedure, create a topic. Create a consumer group. Produce a message. Consume the message. Reset the consumer offset. Now, let's see how to reset the consumer offset. Click an instance v4.80 in this example to go to the instance details page. Create a topic on the topics page. Enter the topic name, topic 01. Create a consumer group on the consumer groups page. Enter the consumer group name, Consume01. Select Brokers. Run the message production command. The created topic 01 is shown. Run the message consumption command. The created topic 01 and the created consumer group Consume01 are shown. On the Consumer Groups tab page, click Reset Consumer Offset in the row containing Consumer Group Consume01. Select Topic 01 and specify the time. The consumer offset is reset.